Did you know 1 in 12 children ages 3 to 17 in the United States has a communication disorder? Not all of them can access a speech therapist or a device to help them communicate. This could be due to a rural location or due to limited mobility. What can they do to help communicate with others? The children that have these communication disorders may struggle with things like expressing their feelings, including pain or illness, telling others what they need, or having simple conversations. Just because they're physically unable to communicate doesn't mean that they don't want to. However, drones can very well fix this problem. That's why I made the Speech on the Go drone, who has several incredible features to help children with a communication disorder or children who are nonverbal communicate with others. This drone truly can change the lives of so many children. As I said before, the Speech on the Go drone has several incredible features, such as his pre-recorded carryover activities, a call feature for contacting therapists digitally, live interactive speech sessions, a word prediction database, a keyboard with voice output, and memory of progress on speech skills. Let's deep dive a little bit more into each of these incredible features. The pre-recorded carryover activities of the Speech on the Go drone enables the child to practice their speech skills when others are not there to help them. They will complete the work based on what their therapist has given them, which they have assigned because of what they're working on inside of their speech sessions. This helps the child practice their communication skills outside of speech sessions and with other people than their therapist. The Speech on the Go drone also has a call feature for contacting their therapist digitally. With this feature, the child can either message or call their therapist for quick questions. These questions can be about their carryover activities, a recap of the speech session, or tips and tricks on how to pronounce something or make a specific sound. This can help for quick questions that aren't necessary to wait for the next speech session. The live interactive speech therapy sessions of the Speech on the Go drone give the child the experience of having their own speech therapist. It's important to have a trained professional because then you get live feedback and they have more suggestions than if you were to just watch a video or act through an app. If they already have a speech therapist, that therapist can act through the drone when they're not able to meet in person. The word prediction database of the Speech on the Go drone helps other people around the child understand what they're trying to say. If the child cannot say the word right, the drone will follow the speech patterns and the context to find out what the word is. This can also help the child to understand how to pronounce the word that they're trying to say. This is important if the child tries to say the word again, so then they don't need the drone to back it up with the word prediction database. The keyboard with voice output helps the child if they cannot say a word properly or they cannot say a word at all. This is especially helpful to nonverbal children because they can now have a voice to say what's on their mind. This feature can also help improve how to say a specific word with punctuation. The child simply types in the word that they would like to say, and then it comes out the speaker of the drone. The memory of progress on speech skills helps the child and/or the therapist go back and see how quickly and how well the child has improved throughout their time with the drone. They can also see what the child struggles with specifically and what they are good at and excel at. This helps the therapist realize what to focus more on and what to focus less on to prioritize their speech sessions. The Speech on the Go drone also has many mechanical aspects as well, such as a speaker disguised as his nose, motion sensors disguised as his eyes, a touch screen, wheels for easy movement, and an expandable joint between his wheels and his body. This will help him climb upstairs if a child needs him but cannot physically get him. The Speech on the Go drone could also be operated by children alone. The features can be turned on and off for easy accessibility for children to use on their own when somebody is not there to help them with the Speech on the Go drone. As you can see, the Speech on the Go drone can truly change the lives of so many children. Communication is an essential life skill, and this drone enables that for children who can't do that on their own. Thank you.